We're all trying to do the right things for our health, especially for our eyes. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools for keeping your vision sharp isn't something you buy or eat, but something that happens every single night while you're fast asleep?
So, when you think eye care, what pops into your head? Eating more carrots, right? Or maybe taking breaks from your computer screen, wearing sunglasses, and yeah, all of that is super important. But in this explainer, we're going to zero in on the one crucial piece of the puzzle that almost always gets overlooked. So let's just get right to it. The true missing link, the secret ingredient for long-term vision health, is something we all do, but maybe not as well as we should. It's sleep. That's right. The quality of your rest has a direct and pretty profound impact on the quality of your sight.
So let's really break this down. Why is this simple, overlooked habit just as fundamental for your eyes as the food you eat?
Okay, here's how we connect the dots. You've probably heard of the American Heart Association. Well, they have this framework called Life's Essential 8 for heart health. And guess what they recently added to that list? Sleep. And it turns out the very same things that link sleep to a healthy heart, we're talking blood flow, inflammation, are also absolutely vital for your eyes.
So how exactly does sleep nourish our eyes? Well, I wanted you to think of a good night's sleep as your own personal, highly efficient maintenance crew for your eyes. Tonight, we're going to look at the 4 critical jobs this crew performs while you're off in dreamland.
First up, moisture. Your eyes have to stay hydrated to work right, and it's during sleep that your body gets to work restoring its natural tear film. You know that feeling when you wake up with dry, gritty, or even blurry eyes? Yep, a lack of quality sleep is very often the culprit.
Second, circulation. And this is a perfect example of that heart-eye connection we were just talking about. Good rest actually boosts blood flow through the thousands of tiny vessels in your retina. It's like a delivery service, bringing all the fresh oxygen and nutrients your eyes need to be at their best.
Now for a really important one, cellular repair. Every single day, your eyes are exposed to light and all sorts of other things that cause something called oxidative stress. Well, deep sleep is when your body's own antioxidant processes kick into high gear. It's basically a deep clean, repairing all that daily damage at a cellular level. And finally, something I think we can all relate to, especially with all our screens, eye strain. Those little muscles in your eyes are working non-stop, all day long. Sleep is literally the only time they get to fully relax and recover. That's what helps prevent that tired, hard-to-focus feeling the next day. Okay, so if good sleep is the maintenance crew, what happens when they just don't show up for work night after night? Well, the cost of chronic sleep deprivation can be pretty significant over time. Research actually points to a specific number to watch out for. This one right here. Consistently getting less than 6 hours of sleep a night is directly linked to more oxidative stress and problems with your blood vessels. And listen, these aren't just short-term issues. They are key players in long-term age-related changes to your vision. I mean, this slide just lays it out in stark contrast. Just look at the difference. On one side, you've got rested eyes with healthy blood flow and efficient repair. On the other, tired eyes are fighting against reduced blood flow, system-wide inflammation, and even high blood pressure, all of which are direct threats to your vision. The difference is, quite literally, night and day.
Okay, we get the problem. But the great news here is that the solution is totally within our control. So let's walk through a simple nightly reset plan that you can start using tonight to make a real visible difference.
Here are 5 simple but seriously powerful steps. First, try to set a regular sleep schedule. Consistency is everything, even on the weekends. Second, limit that blue light from screens before bed. Maybe try night mode on your phone, or better yet, just put it away an hour before bed. Third, make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Dark, cool, and quiet. Fourth, and we'll hit this again in a second, eat for your eyes. And fifth, create some kind of relaxing ritual to wind down, like reading a book or taking a warm bath. And to circle back on that eat for your eyes point, adding antioxidant-rich foods to your diet gives your body the exact tools it needs for that nightly repair cycle. So think about bringing in things like saffron, colorful berries, and dark leafy greens like spinach. So here's the big takeaway. Prioritizing sleep isn't just about feeling less tired tomorrow. You have to see it as a direct nightly investment in the future of your vision, and really, in your overall health. There's a quote from our source material that just sums it all up perfectly. Sleep is more than rest. It's a nightly reset for your entire body, including your eyes. It's not passive downtime, It's an active, absolutely essential process of restoration. So, as we wrap this up, I'll just leave you with this thought.
We all want to wake up to a clear, bright world, right? Every morning deserves clear vision. The only question is, are you ready to rest for it?